Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ocean Bank. So first of all, you have to open a browser or any other preferable browser. At the moment, I'm preferring to Google. And in the top section, there is a URL section. Simply type Ocean Bank and click to the enter. And from here, and from the top results, we could see this Ocean Bank website. Click on that. And we'll be landing to the official homepage of the Ocean Bank, and we could see just right over here there's a sign in or enroll. So you can simply type down your username as well as your password in order to sign in. So type down your username as well as your password, and after that you can simply click on the sign in. But if you have forgotten your password and you want to recover your password, click on this option that says forgot your password. And if you have not registered your account or enrolled your account in Ocean Bank, you can see an option that says enroll now in order to create an account in your Ocean Bank. And that is it guys. This is how to log in your Ocean Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.